Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you pick the best products without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we've got a heavyweight showdown between two 3D printing titans. On my left, the Anycubic Photon Mono M5s 12K Resin 3D printer, or as we like to call it, Photon Mono M5s. And on my right, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer, which we'll just call Adventurer 5M. Buckle up because it's about to get print-tastic. First up, let's talk price. Photon Mono M5s comes in at a wallet-squeezing $559. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M is a more budget-friendly $399. So if you're looking to save some cash for, actual filament, the Adventurer 5M is already winning this round. But don't click buy now just yet, folks. We've got a lot more to unpack. Print quality. Photon Mono M5s boasts a 12K monochrome LCD with a resolution so high it could probably print out your future. That's 11,520 by 5,120 pixels, folks. With an X accuracy of 19 microns, it's like the Leonardo da Vinci of 3D printers. Amazon reviewers rave about its ability to produce highly detailed miniatures and game pieces. Adventurer 5M, on the other hand, is no slouch either, but doesn't quite reach the same level of divine detail. It's like comparing a Renaissance painting to a really good comic book. Both are awesome, but one is just, well, finer. Speed round. Photon Mono M5s claims to print at 105 millimeters per hour, which is fast enough to make you wonder if it's part cheetah. But hold on to your filament spools, because the Adventurer 5M can reach speeds of 600 millimeters per second, with an acceleration that'll make your head spin. I mean, it goes from 0 to 600 in 0.025 seconds. If this were a drag race, the Adventurer 5M would be leaving Photon Mono M5s in the dust, waving a tiny 3D printed flag. According to Amazon reviews, this speed is perfect for those who need quick turnaround times on their projects. How about user-friendliness? Photon Mono M5s is like that overachieving student who does all the extra credit. It's got leveling-free technology, automatic device checks, and even resin detection. It's like having your own 3D printing butler. Reviewers appreciate these features but mention a learning curve and the need for proper ventilation due to resin fumes. Adventurer 5M, however, is no rookie. With full auto one-click leveling, filament runout sensors, and power loss recovery, it's like that reliable friend who always brings snacks to the party. It's especially praised for its beginner-friendly setup and excellent customer support. Cool features. Photon Mono M5s has an upgraded slicer software with an intelligent mode that adjusts parameters based on model details. It's like the AI assistant you always wanted but never got from your smartphone. Adventurer 5M, however, comes with vibration compensation, meaning no ghosting in prints. And let's not forget its robust open design, perfect for well-ventilated environments. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers highlight the Photon Mono M5s's resin-specific features as revolutionary, while the Adventurer 5M's versatility and ease of use make it a crowd favorite. Summarizing the reviews, the Photon Mono M5s is praised for its exceptional print quality and advanced features, but does come with a learning curve and some maintenance challenges. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and speed, making it ideal for beginners and those needing quick prints. So what's the final verdict? If you're a detail-oriented perfectionist with a need for speed, The Photon Mono M5s is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, fast, and reliable machine, the Adventurer 5M is your trusty sidekick. Either way, you're getting a solid 3D printer that'll make your DIY dreams come true. Remember, folks, print smart, buy smart, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic product showdowns. Leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. See you in the next video. Product links are in the description.